Hello, and thanks for checking out this video, which includes an exciting time-sensitive promotion, so please pay very close attention. We're going to share with you an entire world of travel and business you probably never knew existed. Right now, you're learning about a 13-year-old award-winning multi-billion-dollar travel giant that has been helping people save money on vacations, travel for no money out of pocket, and for some, even make an additional stream of income right from their smartphone anywhere in the world without having to be a pushy salesperson. So there's two main parts to what you're about to see. Number one, through a member-only website and award-winning mobile app, you'll have access to thousands of one-of-a-kind luxury vacations at a fraction of the normal price. And I'm talking about experiences like riding a camel in Dubai, walking on the Great Wall of China, African safaris, or amazing cruises. Visiting iconic destinations like Paris, France, Venice, Italy, Las Vegas, Australia, and virtually every bucket list destination you can imagine. And for those of you that have a calling to make a difference in the lives of others, we even have voluntourism trips where you can give back and contribute to those in need. Now, we know that when you go on a dream trip, it's going to be one of the best, if not the best vacation experience of your life. Now, I know that's a pretty bold claim, so I want you to hear from some of our members.
Here we are in Cancun, we're having a blast. It's never a dull moment.
You just cannot beat the value.
Service like no other. Nothing compares to what this trip is.
And when we go on vacation before, it always looked like people were having bigger fun. Now we're having the bigger fun.
It is marvelous. I have a big jacuzzi tub, a big old bed, massages on the beach.
A trip like this was very economical for a family of four.
The best beaches, beautiful, everyone's just enjoying themselves.
An experience of a lifetime. We'll never forget this vacation.
I'll tell you, if you're not traveling with World Ventures, you're absolutely just doing it the wrong way.
Now, you're probably thinking this is going to cost a lot of money. Actually, it's not. See, unlike timeshares or other travel clubs, we've broken the mold and made our platform affordable to anyone. So our cost is not $10,000. It's not $5,000. It's not even $1,000. For a limited time, we're offering our most popular VIP Platinum membership, normally costing $480 to enroll and $100 a month, for only $149 and $100 a month. Now, as part of this special promotion, you will also be rewarded with travel points and credits redeemable dollar for dollar towards your future trips. You'll receive $200 upon enrollment and then $100 monthly, which can be used to book a vacation. And as a special thank you, when you refer just 4 other members who join the club and pay their first monthly dues, we're going to waive your monthly fees and still reward you with your travel points and credits. Now, the second part of our platform is for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. In addition to traveling and having fun, you may also have the ability to earn a true residual or recurring income right from your smartphone anywhere in the world. See, we all know that the internet, mobile apps, and social media have completely changed the way companies market their products and how we as consumers buy. And this is especially true in the multi-trillion-dollar travel industry. Let's face it, people love travel and love posting or sharing on social media, and this is perfect for our business. See, rather than spending millions of dollars on traditional advertising, such as TV, billboards, or print, we use the fastest, most exciting, and powerful method there is, word of mouth. See, we're not looking for people with sales experience. We've developed a simple step-by-step online system that makes it easy to expose new people to our platform and let the tools do all the work. So can you invite people to watch an online presentation? Can you show people a video, then get someone else to help answer questions? Then yes, you can have success here. So for an additional $25 per month, you can also add on our online business system, which will build you a professional website, mobile app, and give you access to incredible training and support systems. And as an independent representative, you'll be part of a team and have the ability to earn commissions for all the members you refer, all the members they refer, and so on, no matter how large your membership base grows. Now, as an example, when you refer just 6 Platinum members in your first 8 weeks, you can earn up to $320. So if any of this intrigues you, let us know you want some more information and we'll schedule a private consultation with you to answer all of your questions. So come join us on the beaches of the world, and as always, you should be here.